Hey, assalamu alaikum. Frames and accessories inspection is apparel industry. Now I will tell you about what is streams and what is accessories and what type of inspection is stream and accessories. Let's get started now. You can have a look at the list of trims and accessories from your previous articles. Most important items of inspection of trims and accessories. There must have a standard trim card which is to be approved with signature and date by this factory or buying house merchandiser. Buyer style waist PDA must present to match label tracking requirement and sticker, and there should have an acceptable quality limit equal charge flow equal. Trims and accessories inspection procedure is this apparel industry. For inspection, trims and accessories following standard procedure will be followed. Trims and accessories quality control QC will check trims after in-house by using equal 1.5 every lot. If this practical lot fail as per equal QC will check 15%, 50% trims of this fuel lot. If QC find more defect trims from out of 50% check, QC will check 100% trims, a whole lot. After completing this check, QC will claim supplier via merchandising. A claim must be done within 7 days after in-house effect trim. Equal charge 1.5 to 0.5. 113. Quality, audit quality 32 pieces.